Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video we got this mini Ductor Venom. You can find something like this on Amazon and it's about like $400 to $500, but this is a great tool to have. This is if you have seasoned bolts, muffler, exhaust bolts, anything. It could be a sway bar linkage, it could be any bolt that's stuck on a car, truck, any other vehicle. But anyways, we're gonna unbox this today. And I just got it recently. I had my eyes on this for a long time. Snap-on guy, he wanted way too much when I could get this guy, and I had my eyes on this for a long time. And came across, couldn't get an axle out. Maybe I'll give it a shot on the axle. The axle has the shaft itself was seized into the hub. But anyways, we're gonna see what's in this box. And this box is about like 1.5 feet long, 1 foot, or a little bit less than like 11 inches tall. But anyways, let's open this up. Let's see if I can save this little guy. And there is a serial number right there. Don't check my serial number out, but it's all good. But let's open this up. You know what? You never know when you're gonna have to return this thing. But the thing is sealed in a way where I do need to rip this guy. Okay. Or I could have just slid it off. Yeah, I could have done that. Sometimes you don't think. But anyways, let's open this box up. It's nicely packed and you can store it away and use it. And it's really simple packaging. That's what's in there. All right. And then you got a little bit of leads that you could. We're going to test this out today, okay? We're going to test it out. They do give you one that you can build yourself the way you want it. And then you have 3 in here. I would suggest read your manual book all the way, but I have used this before. And let's see what this is. Okay. All right. So in here, all we have is this look like a little gun, and this does have indication here. It does indicate to you what's going on. Is it good? Is it heating up or not? But operation manual, that's what it says, to read your operation manual. But I have used it before. You have a lock and unlock button here, so it won't even work here. It'll work right there because oh no, this is for the leads. You put the leads in, you open it, you put the leads in, and you lock them up. So pretty much, let me get this lead out. We're gonna test this pretty much immediately. I'm not gonna be removing a bolt, but I am gonna be probably gonna heat up a bolt. I do have a rusted muffler there with the tip is all corroded. All right, tip is all corroded, so we probably give it a shot to that. So this pretty much, you unlock it here and you stick this in there. It has 2 little slots. You stick it in there and you lock it up and it will not come out. You unlock it and you are able to remove it. Let's put this back in. All right, so let me set up my tool and we're gonna give it a shot with this guy. All right guys, I'm all here, ready. This thing is ready. And I got a little muffler thing right here. So what I got is, I got a little bit of spray here. So I know it's gonna be hard for you to see, but I tested it. This thing was cherry red. All right, so I'm gonna give it another shot. And all you do is you press this and it gives you a green light in the back. And here goes nothing. And then I'm gonna spray some. You can see smoke coming out of it. And it took about 30 seconds to turn that tip of that nut cherry red. Even though the nut has dissipated and because of the rust, but it worked. I can hear it. It's like sizzling already. Like a popcorns are popping a little bit. Tiny popcorns are popping. And if you have a small bolt, it'll take you like 5 seconds to make it cherry red. Okay, I messed up a little bit, and it's turning red. I can see it already. It's turning red. So the good thing about this is you don't have flames. And you don't have any fire. You're not gonna blow nothing up. You're not gonna burn anything like a component. Sometimes there's a sensor right next to a fuel line, and all that you can avoid. And I can see smoke coming out. Can you see the smoke coming out? Woo! I think I touched my the winding of wires to the thing. That's why it's smoking. Yeah, that's my fault. So try to keep it a little bit further. And there you have it, guys. That thing is cherry red. Check this out. Woo! Look at that. And no fire was needed. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Get one of this. If you have a mechanic shop, get it, buy it. You must have it. Thank you for watching again. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. I'm going to be using this on a lot of my videos for especially sway bar linkages. I hate those. They turn out and then they seize up as soon as they're immediately about to come out. And you can't heat them up because shock is there. And once they seize up, and that's it. They never come after that. So don't touch it. Let it cool off. Let it sit down. I'm going to unplug here. Thank you for watching again.